Hello, this is Prop and Scenery Lights. We're showing our new 3-channel flicker effects control introduced in the spring of 2023. This kit includes amber, orange, and red LEDs and has a 9-volt battery clip. The TCF controller 3-channel flame has a 4-pin socket and it mates with a 4-pin cable header, the same type of connectors that are found on RGB lighting systems. The amber, orange, and red LED heads are free floating on the cable, and you can position them in your application for various types of flame appearance and flame effects. The light heads in the kit are removable. The cable harnesses use DC barrel connectors, and this kit is also compatible with our Ember Orange eel light kits. We sell those 3-packs on Amazon. This is for when your application requires more light, a more dynamic fire look, and you can also operate them from a 12-volt power source. The TCF controller has 6 different flicker modes and different speeds. Each output of the controller modulates the LED at a different flicker rate. You can choose different patterns, different appearances. Each time you click the button, each of the LEDs has a little bit different of a pattern. Thank you for watching today, and all these components are available on Amazon, and the various links to the components are in the description of this video.